Good evening, guys, and thanks for tuning in. Tonight I'm going to talk about a little bit more about the Budget Bushcraft series, but this is just going to be a short one, like a quick tip type thing. One of the places I didn't list in the introductory video is dollar stores, and from visiting them enough, you can find a lot of stuff in there. One thing that I did find is it's called a jewelry findings case or holder, but as you can see, there's 7 different compartments, and I put labels on each one. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put all my different spices in here, and it'll be nice, compact, and I'll have a wide range of spices, all for like $1.25. Another thing I found is a sharpening stone, fine and coarse side, $1.25. These are pencil cases, but they're made out of sturdy material and heavy duty zippers on them, and they're like $2, and they make great little possible pouches. So it's just been a few more things, little quick tip on things that you can find. I hope it helps out, and always remember, be safe, be careful, and enjoy your dirt time. Thanks, guys.